USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Swiss francs. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So go and join Telegram here and then check out the broker setup from right here. So I want you to trade with my signals in a separate broker account. So go and join these brokers, subscribe, like. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly is down. So we are in a super downtrend in the USDCHF. Dollar has been dead for a long time now. So we are already in the, in this, what do you call this, downtrend now. Okay. So with this was a pullback, dollar doesn't have any life right now, you could say, against Swiss francs. So we had massive downtrend, then, maybe 38% pullback. And then now we're going to go down again. So your entry should be about right here. Okay. So this was your entry, this is your long, that's it. Okay, so this is your entry versus 2 is how much? There you go. That's your trade. Okay, so if you enter short right now, you can exit at 7880. So right now price is at 7932. You can easily get maybe how many more pips? You can easily get 40 pips, in this trade. Okay. So this red candle was your entry signal. So this was the pullback. Then this red candle was your entry. That's you enter here, and then 2 candles are already gone, but we're gonna make a new low. So this 7880 probably will be the new low. That's your free trade, 40 pips. Okay, so that's it, I guess, but that's in daily, by the way. Okay, so this trade, what I shown you, that is as per the daily chart. If I have to look for the entry in 4 hour, I think 4 hour we have broken this high. This was our entry. So where is my line right now? That's there it is. Okay, so my entry was this candle on 9th of July 1830. 1830 is my country's time, but this is somewhere when US market opened in America. Okay, so this little candle I'm talking about, so this little candle has broken this high, or whatever. Okay, so last 3 candles, or maybe when you see this line was your entry in 4 hour. So again, if I use my short position tool here, that's where I will enter my trade, or my stop loss is there. And then we have 1:2 ratio. So we're gonna go till here. Okay. Again, 7911. So you can take short entry right now if you want to. I don't know when you're watching the video. Okay. But as per when I'm recording the video, we're gonna touch this 79118 very easily. Okay. So that's your trade, free trade USDCHF. That's your entry. That's your, too much information for free. Okay. Subscribe, like, share. Otherwise, I'll stop this. Okay. What I am doing is worth thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. Nobody do this online for free. Online, yes, they tell you the trend is short, look for short position. Trend is long, look for long position. Okay, but nobody teaches you, or nobody tells you when to enter, when to exit. Just like I am telling you, they might be doing it in the paid courses, but not on YouTube. This is my challenge. This is my open challenge. Have you seen anybody doing this kind of breakup and telling you when to enter, when to go short and long, and doing all this kind of explanation, which I'm doing for free? Had you seen anybody doing this for free? You will not see. And actually, it's not your fault. I'm an idiot doing this for free. Okay. So if you don't appreciate the content which you're getting for free, then I'll stop it. Okay. Subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, join the brokers. If you don't, you will have to maybe, you will not see this content then. Okay. So join the brokers, do all of that. And then if you are getting something for free, then appreciate first and be ready to listen and contribute. Okay, so do your job and join the brokers or whatever. Okay, and subscribe, like, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.